from Heck Yeah, You Can Cook. And today we're going to be making some halibut fillets. We're going to bake them in the oven, and these halibuts are beautiful. They have come from me from Sizzlefish, fresh to my door. I just had to unbox them the other day, put them in the refrigerator to defrost. They are beautiful, portion thick, very meaty halibut fillets. Can't wait to cook with them. Please go visit our friends at Sizzlefish and go to the YouTube unboxing that we did for them. And I believe there's a special code on there for anybody interested in becoming a subscriber to Sizzlefish and have fresh seafood delivered to your door. Right here we have, let's go through the ingredients. Besides the beautiful, we have 4 of the halibut fillets. We have 1 teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of black cracked pepper. 1 teaspoon of dill weed. 8 ounces of portobello mushrooms sliced. We have the juice of 1 lemon. Trust me, it's 1 lemon. We just have already juiced it. We have got 1 shallot, small shallot, chopped. We've got 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, and we've got 2 tablespoons of honey. We also have 2 shredded carrots. All right, take your peeler and just shred down. We're going to be using that in today's dish as well.
I think it's a 350 degree oven we preheated for this one. 350 degree oven preheated.
Now, first to get started, you're going to need a 3.5 quart baking dish, and my well-loved one here. As you can tell, it has had plenty of wear and tear on it. We're going to take right now and we're going to add the mushrooms straight to the bottom. It's going to act like a bed for the halibut, and what it does is it will soak up a lot of the flavors as we're cooking and makes a wonderful addition. Now, I don't quite put all of them on there. I leave a couple for the top. We're also going to sprinkle in a few of the shallots at that time. Just a few, not all of them, just a few. And we're going to take a pinch of our salt pepper mix, put it right on top. Alright, and then also the same thing for our dill. Just about a pinch across the top. Now, got a little bed looking like that. We're going to take our halibut, while it's still on the plate over here. We're going to lightly salt and pepper it. We're going to add it to the bed of mushrooms. Try to put your thickest piece in the middle, because that's the one we're going to put the temperature probe in. Give us an idea to make sure we have this properly cooked. Now, when you get it out, you may want to sprinkle a little bit of salt and pepper mix on the side. Halibut's in place. So you can set that away. And now we're going to take our dill and we're going to sprinkle it on the top. Try not to be too heavy with it. And then we're going to take our lemon juice and slowly, because you want to save enough, sprinkle the lemon juice. And then we're going to repeat with the honey. Just a real light glaze. Not overpowering anything. And any excess honey, I just sprinkle it on top of the mushrooms and the shallots. And now we're going to take the carrots, lightly sprinkle them on top. Carrots actually are one of the more aromatic vegetables, and they will actually add a little flavor and a lot of color to the dish. I like to shred them when I'm cooking with something fast, because they'll cook right with it. Take the rest of the shallot, sprinkle that on top as well. We're going to let the vegetables do a lot of seasoning here for us on top of the fish. Same thing for the remaining mushrooms. And then top it off with a little bit of the extra dill across the top and across the vegetables. And same thing for the salt and pepper mix. Not a whole lot of ingredients, not a whole lot of prep. Set that in. Now the avocado oil that you had, just drizzle that just lightly on top of the fish first, and then around the fish. We're going to set a temperature probe, and I like to cook my halibut to 145 in the thick part right there. We're going to set this in the oven, and that's it. We're going to come back, see the finished product. I hope everyone is enjoying.
Please everyone visit our good friends at sizzlefish.com and go to the description in this video, and there's a discount code when you hit the link for Sizzlefish in the description. Thank you once again, Sizzlefish, for the wonderful seafood.
Well, everyone, the temperature alert's going off at 1:45. It's time to take our halibut out of the oven. All right, you see how the carrots have cooked down and around the mushrooms. Temperature probe came right out. That's how white and pretty that fish is. All right. And what I like to do at this time is I get the halibut out. Mushrooms have cooked down. Once again, thanks to our friends at Sizzlefish. The wonderful cuts. Move that over. Rehydrate the mushrooms and the carrots. And I'm going to serve this with a plate of green beans. A side of green beans, I should say. And we will have a picture of that plated at the end of the video. As you can see, the halibut right there, how well cooked it is. All that flavor is still in here. Kept all those juices with the mushrooms and the shredded carrots. And we will be adding that to the plate. So everyone, here's your halibut, lightly seasoned. Be very delicious for dinner. Thanks for watching Heck Yeah You Can Cook. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you again to the good folks at Sizzlefish for providing this halibut. Go visit them today at sizzlefish.com. Everyone have a wonderful evening.